There has been a disaster in the booth. I'm so stressed. There has been a big disaster, and in the aid of being honest, I'm going to show you what's happened. It doesn't matter how good you are, things can happen. Long story short, my template vinyl, my Oracle 813, I ordered it from this company. It's supposed to be next day delivery, and it literally didn't even fucking turn up. So the only option I had was to get my Gunslinger made up in vinyl. Turns out this vinyl happens to be like the strongest vinyl known to man, and although I've still got the residue on there, that will come off. There's not a lot I can do about the fact it has literally fucking ripped the flake off. I was here for 18 hours yesterday. I went home, I had a 2-hour kip straight back here as soon as I woke up. And come and fucking rip that off. Man. I heated it up, I did everything I was supposed to do. I had the heat gun on it, I cooked it, melted it, pulled it, ripped it. The rest of it's come out fine. The rest of the car's mint, all the line work's mint. Obviously I've not lacquered it because I still got to do all the airbrushing. But yeah, I've got to come up with some solution for that. So I'm thinking I'll tape up the sheet up the entire fucking car. Try and feather that out with a bit of sandpaper, and then yeah, I don't really know. It's almost impossible to match again. So I'm fuming. You guys wanted to see the shit bits. You wanted to see the rough with the smooth. Well, this is the rough that goes with the smooth. Shit fucking happens sometimes. Oh, man. This is not the sort of thing that you can just repair because there are so many layers. Like there's a silver in there, there's a grey in there, there's a black in there, then there's a flake over the top. And getting that to ever look the same again is literally impossible. Literally impossible. The best I could do is just try and fake it and come up with some sort of fucking solution. Just to try and fake it. And this is going to be on centre stage. This is going to Hot Wheels Legends, and I've got a line that has no fucking flake on it. I'm fuming. I'm actually fuming. Like I don't get upset and I don't cry, but if I did cry, I probably would be crying right now. The rest of the car, obviously it's flat because it's not lacquered, but the rest of the car is actually looking so fucking naughty. Like I literally love it. I'm so happy with how it's come out. Like everything's gone to plan, everything is mint, and then god damn it. It's just so fucking... I wasn't even going to make this video, to be fair, because I don't have any words. I don't have any words. I'm fucking so stressed out. I fucking haven't slept for days. Obviously I had that 2-hour kit last night, but it didn't really fill the batteries back up. I don't think I've eaten for the last 2 days either, which isn't helping. But it's custom paint for you, isn't it? Once you start, the problem with custom paint is it's such a long process, and paint only has a certain open window. Like you can't leave it too long before you lacquer it. So you basically, once you start, you can't stop. So hence why I went home, 2 hours kit, come back to work, crack back on with it, because honestly I was losing my mind, and I banged in my head and nearly knocked myself out, and I was having a right mare. I got like, it's gone down a bit now, but I had this nipple come out of my forehead where I banged my head yesterday. So yeah, I wanted to do a video because people think like everything's all hunky-dory all the time, and things just go to plan and everything's perfect all the time, and they don't see the reality of being a custom painter. It is the most anxiety-filled, stressful, brain-frying, body-destroying, soul-sucking industry. Because, I mean, tanks and stuff are fine and smaller, but when you're doing full cars, it just absolutely takes its toll. And it's been a while since I've done a full car, and I'm starting to remember why I went off doing them. Oh, mate, so annoyed, so annoyed. It's just the reality of it, isn't it? So, anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna film me fixing it because I'm not in the mood, to be fair. If I'm being completely honest, I'm just gonna do what I need to do, get it fucking, see what I can do to fix it, and then I'll show you the results, I guess, later on, maybe tomorrow. Cock it. Fuck. This is so fucking annoying. So annoying. I'm just gonna keep recording myself saying it's so annoying. Because it really is. It really fucking is, to get to the very last point of a custom paint job and something to go wrong. It's bad enough when it happens at the beginning, but when you are literally on completion waiting to lacquer a car, and now I've got to... Oh God, right, I'm turning the camera off, I'm fucking just moaning. I'll turn it back on in a bit, see what I come up with. I think I may have saved it. I think. It's just airing off now, and then we'll go in the booth, and we'll have a look together. I may have fixed it. Oh, fucking, the microphone's here, mate. I may have fixed it. I don't know. But I've attempted to blend it out. I'm not sure. And if you can hear my music coming from my headphones, I've put on some classical music, you know, the wedding music, yeah. I'm listening to a bit of that, thought it might calm me down. And actually, it has put me in a better mood, who'd have thought? I mean, it's a bit weird, isn't it? But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unmask this in a minute. And then hopefully, it resolves the issue. Boy, am I sweating. Oh, I'm sweating. I think I've gone and done it. I think I've saved it. I have made another error while saving it. It's too fucking late now, and to be fair, I'm past caring, to be honest. So the G is supposed to be in front of the line, and now it somehow ended up behind the line. So yeah, that's joyful. But what I've done is I've done a black base there, I taped it all up, obviously, done a black base and faded it out, and then I put 2 coats of flake over the top, faded that out, and I think it actually looks better than the other side, to be honest. But yeah, I can't believe I just got away with that. I cannot believe I just got away with that. What a fucking hero. Honestly, I was dying inside. I was dying inside when I done that. But yeah, so the next task, the car's pretty much good to go. I just need to get this absolutely dreadful residue from the vinyl, all of this stuff here. I need to get the degreaser out and basically scrub that for the next hour, probably either side. And then we can get the pool bugger in primer at long last. It's been a long time coming. This car has near on fucking killed me. But I say, it's worth it. Fuck it, I don't even know anymore. But there's big things riding on this car. And yeah. That's all for now. I'm going to love you and leave you, and you'll see the lacquer in the other video of the paint I expect. So, yeah, toodle pip, see you in a bit, much love.